Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to get your TikTok account unbanned. So let's get started. So if you got your TikTok account banned and if you want to unban it, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply create a dummy account, or if you have your friend's account, what you can do is just simply use it. So just simply create a dummy account or use your friend's account. So after opening up your TikTok, now what you can do is just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on your profile icon, now just tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on that, just simply scroll all the way down, then tap on report a problem. After tapping on report a problem, now what you can do is again scroll all the way down and then tap on submit your report, and from here what you have to do is just simply type in the following feedback that I'll enter. So now what you have to do is just simply copy this feedback, and after copying it over here, what you have to do is just simply enter the username of the following account which got banned. And after entering it, now if you have a screenshot of your profile of that account which got banned, what you can do is just simply tap on the photo icon which you can find over here. Just tap on it and then upload over here. And after uploading it, just simply tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, your account should be unbanned. But you just have to make sure that you have not violated any community guidelines. But if you have violated any community guidelines, then it might be hard to recover your account. So if your account promotes any nudity or violates any community guidelines, then your account will get banned. Now if you have violated any community guidelines, then it is quite hard to recover your account. But if you haven't, and even though your account got banned, then what you can do is just simply enter this feedback and you should recover your account. So that's it guys, this is how to get your TikTok account unbanned. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.